Hi, I am Mayor Hemant Marathe asking for your support for my re-election on November 2nd. The three biggest achievements during my first term were: first, the settlement of the Howard Hughes lawsuit, making sure that no housing will ever be built on that property. Second, how we as a community dealt with the COVID crisis. Third, keeping West Windsor affordable with prudent management of the municipal budget. 4 years ago, as a candidate, I promised residents that I would never allow housing on the Howard Hughes property. A few people have told me that they never believed I would be able to keep my promise. I had a plan to achieve it. As a 27-year resident of the township, I have realized that wishful thinking and a just say no approach to development usually lands the township in trouble. I look for a way to lock up that land before the next round of affordable housing in 2025. The land is zoned for 42 different uses, including warehouses, hotels, and retail. Building warehouse is not in my top 10 choices for land use. However, any day of the week, it is much better than the 2,000 homes that were proposed for that site. It will also get the contaminated land cleaned and remove over 40 dilapidated structures from the site. Secondly, when I was elected mayor, no one imagined the challenges COVID would pose to our community and the world. I quickly realized that residents were fearful due to lack of information and not knowing what to expect. I decided to share our township information in a transparent and consistent manner. I answered every question I received, both publicly and privately. I cared about both the health and psychological aspects of COVID. I made sure that town services were available to make life as safe and normal as possible. From emergency service, police and fire, parks, brush pickup, and snow removal. I have been told that put many minds at ease. When vaccines became available, I worked with the state and the county to make sure that we got our fair share of them. That allowed us to vaccinate everyone who was eligible and interested. Thanks to residents of West Windsor following health guidelines, we have managed the crisis better than most communities. I also want to thank the residents for the help they offered our small businesses during the crisis. Your support helped many of them survive during the most difficult challenge they have faced. Finally, COVID-imposed financial conditions made it difficult to budget for the township. I am proud to say that West Windsor Township has always been open for business, and on most days, there was somebody in the office to answer residents' questions. Our employees did a phenomenal job, which resulted in us generating $750,000 more revenue than projected in the budget. That has allowed me to present this year a second budget in a row with no municipal tax increase. I hope I have earned your vote based on my record, not only during my first term, but over my past 20 years of public service in West Windsor, including 9 years as school board president. Please support the Marathe Jeevers Whitfield team on November 2nd.